JCID Diagnostic Battery Genuine Operation Video. In this video, we demonstrate with a 13 Pro diagnostic battery. The product package includes a certificate, a disclaimer, and a diagnostic battery. Install the battery into the phone. Power on the phone. Enter settings. General, About. The system version is iOS 26.2. Tap Parts and Service History. You can see the diagnostic window. Before running diagnostics, connect the phone to network. After connecting to the network, start running diagnostics. After entering the diagnostic interface, continue. Continue after connecting to the network. Tap Agree. Wait for diagnostics. Diagnostic completed. The battery has been verified as genuine. Continue running diagnostics on the phone, then restart the phone. Diagnostics completed. The battery has been repaired.